In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently export your necessary financial reports and then upload or enter this data into TurboTax Business. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone new to tax filing, these steps will help ensure your financial data is organized and ready for tax season. Let's dive right in. First, let's focus on exporting your financial reports, starting with your income reports. This includes any records detailing your earned revenue over the year. Make sure to gather all sources of income, whether from product sales, services, or any other streams. Many accounting software options offer an easy export feature where you can download reports in formats like Excel or PDF. If you're using cloud-based accounting software, navigate to the Reports section, select the income or profit and loss report, and export it. It's crucial to ensure all data is up to date before you start the export process to avoid discrepancies later in the tax filing process. Once you've successfully exported your income reports, the next step is to export your expense reports. Expenses can include anything from office supplies to software subscriptions, and it is essential to categorize them correctly. Similar to income reports, go to your accounting software's reports section and find the expenses report. Select the relevant time frame you're filing for and export these records. Keeping your reports categorized will help tremendously when you begin organizing this data in TurboTax Business. With your reports at hand, it's time to upload or enter this information into TurboTax Business. If you're using a version that allows direct uploads, this can be a real time saver. The TurboTax interface is designed to be user-friendly. Begin by logging into your account and selecting the option to start a new return. Once you're in, navigate to the section for importing financial data. Here, you usually have the option to upload files directly. Select your previously exported reports, following the on-screen instructions to ensure that each document is uploaded correctly. In cases where direct upload isn't an option or you prefer manual entry, start by entering your income data into the TurboTax system. Make sure to follow the prompts carefully, as TurboTax will guide you to category-specific entries. Double-check figures for accuracy to avoid any errors that could arise during tax filing. Now move on to your expenses. TurboTax Business will prompt you to enter your expenses. Take your exported expense report and begin categorizing them as per the TurboTax categories, ensuring accuracy with each entry. This is an excellent time to revisit your reports and confirm that every expense is accounted